Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we're doing something different. We're not going to be working on this car or another car. We don't know what car we're working on, but let's go on a journey. All I'm letting you guys know is that we're going to Oxford, and it's 1.5 hours away from where I am currently. So we're going to go there, and you guys are going to see what we're going to do. And if you're new to this channel, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment and be part of this Alpha Customs journey, and stay tuned to see what you're going to see later on. So let's go. And this is all the stuff that we will be needing. So this is a little hint, and that's all I'm giving you guys. So let's get to work and let's go. So we've come to Oxford and here we are. This is a 7 Series, as you can see. It's another car, and don't worry, for those of you who are worried about me buying cars, I'm not buying this one. However, we're just taking out the interior from this. So if we go across, I'll show you guys the interior and I'll show you guys what we're going to take. So as you can see here, everything is black, and here you can see everything is black there too. So all of this we're going to strip out, and we're just going to take it and convert it into the other 7 Series. So there's a question for you guys. Wow, this is weird, I never did this before. However, guess how long this is going to take for us to strip out the interior. What I'm going to do is, after this video, I'm going to put my timer on and we're going to count the time. So now to 7:51. Let me put the timer on, okay? Let me just put it on so that you guys can see. So here's a stopwatch, and we're going to put this on. So we're going to take off how many seconds that I've wasted on this video talking, deducted from it. But at the moment it's on 11 seconds, so we're gonna stop talking and we're gonna get straight into it and just strip out this whole interior. So have a good look at this interior and see what it's going to be left with once we strip everything out. So let's get to work. And also, I've got my mate Janushan with me. He doesn't like me saying that I've got him with me and he's here because he likes to be behind the scenes, but I need to do my job of appreciating him. Any time I ask him to do me a favor, he's always down. So thank you, Janushan. You might want to show your face and give a thumbs up to the crowd.
Front of the camera, you can see. Yeah.
He still wants to stay behind the camera for that too. So yeah, me and Janushan are going to get to work, and we're going to take out this seats. And the time right now is 7:52, and we're guessing it would take around 3 hours to do this. How long do you think it would take, bro?
2.5 hours, 3 hours, I'll say.
2.5, yeah. Leave your guesses in the comments below. Don't skip to the end of the video to leave a guess, because I will let you know how long it actually took. But leave a guess below on how long you think it would take to strip out this interior. Let's get to work. So the time is actually 12:31 right now. We went over our limit of what we thought. Huge shout out to Mark. He's helped me out a lot, and as you can see, the whole interior is behind us, and we'll show you guys the car in a bit. But yeah, huge thank you to Mark, and thank you, man.
Cool.
Because of you, I've got all these parts.
Good luck
we're
putting
gonna
it
see.
together.
Yeah, thank you. Even though we were here for like 4.5 hours or so, we managed to get the job done. So yeah, we'll show you guys the inside, and now time to go back to London. So as you can see, the interior is fully stripped, and there's not a single black piece left except from all these stuff. Other than that, everything is going to get transferred onto the 7 Series, which is my project car, so stay tuned for that. But that is where we have been today, and leave your comments below on how long it actually took before watching the earlier bit where I actually say it was 4.5 hours. But if you are till this time and you've actually watched till the end, this is the end of this video, and we've stripped out the 7 Series. And if you're new to this channel, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment. Until next time, peace.